BMW E92 35D. The rear lights have packed in on the near side. It's been like the outer edge went first and then the inner's gone. When you turn the car on, the inner one will flicker, I'm guessing, when it gets a little bit more voltage. We're going to be putting on the LCI lights on here. So I've gone ahead and bought from this place on eBay, BMW, genuine cable for it. That's the part numbers if you need to pause it for that. And managed to source a set of LCI lights for £260. They're normally around 260, 300 at the moment. So we'll go ahead and pop everything off and start to fit them on here. So just go ahead, open your boot. You can use a panel popper ideally, or a flat screwdriver. Just pop your clips off, there'll be 8 of them. So we'll get that cover off in a sec. On passenger side, just pop this little cover off. You have then got 3 studs there, 2 here, one behind the plug. Unplug your loom. I'm going to use a deep 8mm on that side, then just pop off your little compartment above your battery, and you'll be able to access the same on the passenger driver side, sorry. And we should be able to just pop the lights out. Once you've popped off your trim, you can go ahead and access the lights with a bolt there and there on each side. When you take off the trim, you just need to remove the boot bump stops, and there was 2 hidden grommets that were roughly around here where these holes are. You just need to pop them off as well. So it's the 4 on the bottom, as you saw, 4 on your top, and then there was 2 extra on each side, and then you can just access everything. These are a 10mm nut. The reason why this has got wire around it might be the same as yours. It's been fitted with a reverse camera, that's all. So if you've got anything like that, just put it on the new set of lights. Once you've removed your light, I've just gone ahead and cleaned the outside and the inside. I've got the LCI light here. You'll notice that they have a different connector on them. So these adapters, they're really easy to plug and play. Just go ahead and pop it in before you put the light in, and then just reinstall your 3 bolts. Once you've fitted everything in just a reverse order, you're going to want some sort of coding equipment. I have a MHD. You can use this for doing all your coding and your gearbox remapping with XHP. I'd advise you making sure you've got a very strong battery. If possible, have a battery stabilizer connected, just because the FRM modules in these are really sensitive and brick. Make sure your seatbelt's connected. I personally, when I sit inside it, lock the doors, just because with BMWs, when you open the doors, the instrument cluster will turn itself off sometimes. And then once you're done, you'll have something that looks something like this. They are really, really bright. A massive upgrade compared to the previous ones.